Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing, or unpackaging rather, to share with you guys. With you guys? I think I know what's in here. This, I believe, was sent by a viewer, but we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There's a link for my Patreon right down in the description. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Oh! Maybe it is time to sharpen the scalpel again. Oh boy, what do we have here? Yeah, I think this is exactly what I thought it was. Keep that information there. Let's see what we've got. There were some Civivis on my list here for review. Thank you to the gentleman who sent this. Please make yourself known down in the comments section. What we've got here is... yeah. So, this is the... gosh bless it. This is a fancy one. The Civivi Badlands Vagabond. A lot of people are telling me you should check that out because you guys know how much I love... let me get mine out. The Civivi Ortis, which is a flipper and sort of thumb slot opening version of this knife. In fact, gosh, are they all identical except for the fact that it's not a slot, it's a thumb stud opener. Interesting. There is a little bit of a difference there in the feeling of deployment, but the flipping action feels exactly the same. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, this is the Damascus and carbon fiber version of this knife, but there is a standard version of this that costs less money. I will be linking it right down below so you guys can check it out. But yeah, this is definitely a budget knife. Even the Damascus version is not very expensive. I wanted to check this out because I needed to know for sure. A lot of people were like, I think you might like that one better because it's a thumb stud. It's hard to say. It's really good. I mean, I definitely like this right around just as much as the Ortis, but whether or not I prefer it, I'm not 100% sure. I'm just going to have to kind of do what I usually do, play with it a little bit, and then give you my thoughts in a full comprehensive review here in about 2 to 3 weeks or so. But yeah, this is really cool. I do like how it looks. Honestly, I'm kind of digging the thumb stud look a little bit more. Here's the other thing. It's a different blade shape. This is a drop point blade, or I guess we could call this a spear point. I mean, I don't, whatever. I'm not the guy to go to when we're talking about classification of blade shape or geometry. But yeah, it is a nice, handsome looking blade. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's not so much the thumb stud. Maybe it's the blade shape too. Well, you certainly can still do the reverse flick. In fact, it's really easy. I'm just using the meat of my finger. I'm literally just sticking my finger right there like that and then kicking it straight up. So that's great. And then this deployment's good. I'm wondering how close I can get the meat of my index finger to that flipper tab before it actually pinches me. And I think it's rounded off enough. Yeah, it's just not catching me. The angle of it's just not catching. So I don't think that's really a problem. That's kind of neat. Thumb studs do not extend out past the thickness of the scales, which is going to make that preferable for people who do like thumb studs. It's always annoying when they stick way out like that. Cool. We'll do a review, and then maybe we'll do a battle with the Civivi Ortis, because this is my favorite budget knife of all time. Neat. This is, I mean, everything else is exactly the same. Pretty cool. That'll be a fun one to take a look at. Okay, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's very short little unboxing. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.